and this is going to be your last chance to get in early, maybe get some benefits, because we have something that is going to change this hobby forever. I'm not even talking hyperbole, like this is the truth. This is DIY FPV. We've spoken about this before. This is like your one-stop place of hundreds of thousands of products from different stores all over the world that you can cater, find the best price for everything, find if it's in stock. Like the catalog that we are building right here with full integrations is like a major feature of DIY FPV. This is all I'm going to put the link in the chat down below if you want to sign up. And I'm telling you right now, you really should, because look what I can do right here. And I haven't, I'm hoping that I'm allowed to show this. Is it maps? Let's see if this actually works. It might be maps. Okay. Being part of the community is one of the best things about FPV, meeting up with other pilots. It's going to be so much better than this when you guys actually get to see it, which is sooner rather than later. But check this out. Let me find out if I zoom in right here. So what we have, these are all just placeholders for now, because it's just the internal testing team and things like that. So you're going to be able to, when you're signing up, you put yourself on the map if you want, no pressure if you don't. And then when you look at somebody's profile, you can then, check out their socials and what they're doing, but you also have the ability to send them a message. So not only do we have this amazing catalog, which is going to blow people's mind, we've got the builder where you can connect things and everything is integrated. Like DIY FPV is a solution for everything I've ever wanted, ever learned in 10 years of FPV. This is going to change the hobby in such a fantastic way. We've been working on it for over a year. But now, one of the big features that made me start, I want to fly around with other people. So what I have here, I have a screenshot because it's still all in our Figma stages and we haven't pushed this to the demo build right here. But to say, hey, let's go meet up at that flying spot. Let's go do that. That was a great video you had. Whatever it's going to be, DIY FPV is going to give you that ability in one space with everything to connect with other pilots, because community really is at the heart of FPV and it's the heart of DIY FPV. And this is why for literally over a year, I'd have to check the date on our emails when we first started this off. This has just kept growing and getting more and more, like the scope has kept increasing, but this is right here. This is ready. This isn't a pipe dream. You very soon are going to be able to be part of a community, meeting up with other pilots, finding the best prices, sharing a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I don't know, there is just so many really, really cool things. Like, let's say you want to buy a stack. Let's buy, well, where can I get this T-Motor stack from? Oh, look at that. It's available in a couple of different stores. Oh, but it's sold out right here. So yeah, it's, this is going to change people's mind, change people's way that they interact with the hobby. Just being able to get out there and be part of it and connect with people. And FPV is always better with friends. And it is truly my pleasure to be so close and be able to bring this to you guys. So if you want to jump in, the sign up link is going to be down below. I cannot stress this enough without doing too many spoilers. Sign up. If you haven't signed up yet, you really should be doing it sooner rather than later, because there might be some little benefits if you were in before the actual launch. Okay.
The future here, I know my stream was just a couple of hours ago, but the features we talk about, check this out. It's actually already working. So like, that's how close we are. So that's why I'm telling you, you need to sign up. Check this out. So I clicked over here on my little message icon, and then here we go. Live and working. So, I can't even spell correctly. Hit this, and so yeah, so it's like literally working. Like, this is so close. It's not just pipe dreams. It's like being built in the background, and anybody knows anything about coding, like, and how much work a system like this is, it is done. Yeah, I am pumped. Sign up. That's all I can say.